Friends, today we are going to discussing about the summary of Bharat is my home. Bharat is my home is written by Dr. Zakir Hussain. Bharat is my home is an extract from the speech of Dr. Zakir Hussain given in 1967. भारत इज़ माई होम जो है डॉक्टर जाकिर हुसैन का दिया हुआ स्पीच का एक अंश है जो कि 1967 ईस्वी में देश के राष्ट्रपति बनने के बाद दिया गया था. जस्ट आफ्टर टेकिंग द oath of Indian third president, this speech placed himself to the service of totality of Indian glorious culture. सर्विस ऑफ टोटलिटी ऑफ इंडियन ग्लोरियस कल्चर, जो कि स्पीच में वो शपथ लेते हैं कि भारत के संपूर्ण भारत के जो संस्कृति है उसकी वो सेवा करने का. फर्स्ट ही पेज हिज greatness to the people for their faith to place him at the highest post of the land. Then he acknowledged Dr. Radhakrishnan for his wide experience, philosophical thoughts, and essential humanity for a nation. He expresses his views that he has come to this office with his full dedication on to serve Indian Constitution. As in India is known for its past glorious culture, so he pledged himself to respect its values. He proclaims that whole Bharat is his home and he is elected the chief of this family, so he will do everything for the progress, strength and the beauty of this family without distinguishing caste, creeds and colors. Further he says to member of his family to work either individuals, socials. He thinks that only this work can give special flavor to our nation and overcome this growing population. He has full faith in his people to bring forth energy for performance this dual work. As a great educationist and freedom fighter, he is always our ideal. Dr. Zakir Hussain's speech is a very nice speech. He given this speech in 1967. Dr. Zakir Hussain was the third president of our country. In earlier, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was president of our country. Thanks.